Hands-on demonstration on chart construction. Exercise instructions.
Punta na tayo sa data presentation. So, di ba po, yung previous natin ay yung exercise 1 and exercise 2. Ayun, exercise 3 na po. So, I'll just share it with you. Wait lang po. Ayan, for exercise 3, simpleng-simple lang po ito. You will just create one graph, which is the simplest, I think. So, pag na-open nyo na po yan, pag na-download nyo na, then pansin nyo, simpleng-simple lang po yung last exercise natin. So, we only need to create a bar of pie chart using our data na ginawa natin kahapon. So, sabi nga po sa ating exercise, create a bar of pie chart giving the resulting counts of employees per job title. Ayan po, ito po yung ginawa natin kahapon. Dun sa ating, tanda nyo po yung kung ilan na executive director, senior officer, yon. And ipapakita ko din later. So, improve the chart based on the guidelines discussed and copy the resulting chart to the allocated space in page 4 or figure 1. Lagay nyo na lang po, figure 1. Ayan. Lagay nyo na lang dito, sa baba nito. Ayan. Ayan. So, ang data po na gagamitin natin ay ito. Tandaan nyo po itong result na to. Di ba po ito yung ginawa natin kahapon during your exercise. So, officer is 28, senior officer is 11, supervisor is 6, chief supervisor is 4, executive director is 1. Yan lang po yung gagawin natin. So, gagawan lang po natin siya ng bar of pie.
Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something useful and will apply these learnings in your work. Take care and see you again in our next learning session.